We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive, expert-driven overview of the Pooping Pooches White Elephant Gag Gift Calendar, a product that has become a staple in the world of novelty gifts and white elephant exchanges. If you own this calendar, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Pooping Pooches White Elephant Gag Gift Calendar by Pooping Pooches is a unique and humorous wall calendar that has carved out a niche among gag gifts, especially during the holiday season. Each month features a high-resolution photograph of a real dog captured in the act of relieving itself, presented in a way that is both comical and oddly endearing. The calendar measures 17 by 11 inches when open, providing ample space for writing notes, appointments, and reminders, while still being compact enough to fit comfortably on most walls or desks. The inclusion of US holidays ensures that users can keep track of important dates without sacrificing the calendar's primary function as a source of daily amusement. From the moment you unwrap the Pooping Pooches calendar, it is clear that this is not your average organizational tool. The quality of the paper is frequently praised in customer feedback, with vibrant, high-resolution images that remain crisp and clear throughout the year. The binding is sturdy, allowing for easy flipping from month to month without pages tearing or becoming loose. The print quality is consistent, and the calendar's overall construction suggests that it is built to last the full year, even with frequent handling. One of the most notable aspects of the Pooping Pooches calendar is its ability to bring people together through laughter. Many users report that gifting this calendar has become a cherished tradition, particularly for white elephant exchanges, Secret Santa events, or as a humorous stocking stuffer. The calendar's appeal is broad, resonating with dog lovers, fans of quirky humor, and anyone who appreciates a good laugh. It is often described as a conversation starter and an instant mood lifter, with the images sparking smiles and laughter in homes and offices alike. Several reviewers mentioned that the calendar has become the highlight of their holiday gatherings, with family members eagerly anticipating which dog will be featured each month. Beyond its entertainment value, the Pooping Pooches calendar also serves a charitable purpose. For every calendar sold, $1 is donated to help a dog in need. This philanthropic aspect adds a layer of meaning to the purchase, allowing buyers to support animal welfare while enjoying a lighthearted product. Many customers appreciate this initiative, noting that it makes the calendar an even more compelling choice for gift giving. The usability of the calendar is another area where it excels. The 17 by 11 inch size provides enough writing space for daily notes and reminders, making it practical for tracking appointments, birthdays, and special occasions. The layout is clean and well organized with clear delineation of days and months. The inclusion of major US holidays is a thoughtful touch that adds functional value. The calendar's design ensures that it is easy to hang, and its size makes it suitable for a variety of settings, from kitchens and offices to bathrooms and dorm rooms. In terms of performance, the Pooping Pooches calendar consistently delivers on its promise of daily amusement. The images are carefully curated to maintain a balance between humor and charm, avoiding anything that could be considered offensive or distasteful. Each dog is photographed in a natural outdoor setting, and the expressions captured often add an extra layer of comedy. The creativity behind the selection and presentation of each image is frequently highlighted in user reviews, with many customers expressing admiration for the cleverness and originality of the concept. The calendar's popularity is reflected in its impressive customer ratings. With over 14,000 reviews and an average rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, it is clear that the Pooping Pooches calendar has struck a chord with a wide audience. It ranks highly in the wall calendars category on Amazon, further attesting to its widespread appeal and satisfaction among buyers. Many reviewers return year after year to purchase the latest edition, often citing the calendar as a must-have for their holiday celebrations. Despite its many strengths, the Pooping Pooches calendar is not without its limitations. As a novelty item, its humor may not be to everyone's taste. Some individuals may find the concept of dogs pooping to be juvenile or inappropriate for certain environments, such as professional offices or more formal settings. However, the overwhelming majority of reviewers embrace the calendar's lighthearted spirit, viewing it as harmless fun that brings joy to those with a sense of humor. For those who appreciate quirky gifts and are looking for something out of the ordinary, the calendar is a standout choice. Another minor drawback is that the calendar's appeal is somewhat seasonal, with the majority of purchases occurring during the holiday season. While it can certainly be enjoyed year-round, its primary function as a gag gift makes it particularly popular for Christmas and other gift-giving occasions. That said, many users report that the calendar continues to bring smiles and laughter long after the holidays have passed, serving as a daily reminder not to take life too seriously. The Pooping Pooches calendar also serves as an excellent icebreaker in social settings. Whether displayed in a communal kitchen, break room, or bathroom, it invites conversation and shared amusement. Several reviewers mention that the calendar has helped to lighten the mood in otherwise stressful environments, providing a welcome distraction and a reason to smile. Its whimsical nature makes it a great fit for eccentric friends, dog lovers, or anyone who enjoys a bit of irreverent humor. In terms of value, the calendar is competitively priced, especially considering the quality of materials and the charitable donation included with each purchase. The combination of humor, practicality, and philanthropy makes it a compelling option for those seeking a memorable and meaningful gift. The calendar's durability ensures that it will last the entire year, and the high-quality images maintain their vibrancy over time. The Pooping Pooches calendar stands out in a crowded market of novelty gifts and wall calendars. Its unique concept, high-quality construction, and charitable mission set it apart from other gag gifts, making it a favorite among those who appreciate humor and heart. The calendar's ability to bring people together, spark laughter, and support a good cause has earned it a loyal following and a reputation as a must-have item for holiday gift exchanges. For those considering purchasing the Pooping Pooches calendar, it is important to keep in mind the intended audience. While most people find the images amusing and charming, it may not be suitable for all tastes or settings. However, for dog lovers, fans of quirky humor, and anyone looking to add a bit of levity to their daily routine, the calendar is a delightful choice. Its practical features, including ample writing space and the inclusion of holidays, ensure that it is as functional as it is funny. The calendar's success is also a testament to the power of tradition. Many reviewers share stories of making the Pooping Pooches calendar a recurring part of their holiday celebrations, with family members looking forward to receiving it year after year. This sense of anticipation and shared laughter has helped to cement the calendar's place as a beloved holiday staple. In conclusion, the Pooping Pooches White Elephant Gag gift calendar is a standout product that combines humor, quality, and charitable giving in a single package. Its high-resolution images, durable construction, and practical layout make it a functional and enjoyable addition to any home or office. The calendar's unique concept and widespread appeal have earned it high marks from thousands of satisfied customers, many of whom return year after year to purchase the latest edition. While its humor may not be for everyone, those who appreciate a good laugh and a bit of whimsy will find the Pooping Pooches calendar to be a welcome addition to their daily routine. If you're searching for a memorable gift that is sure to spark smiles and laughter, look no further than the Pooping Pooches calendar. The product link is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you detailed reviews. If you have experience with this calendar, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision.